In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Kahoot app pop-up notifications. So if you are receiving a lot of pop-up notifications or alert from Kahoot, then let me show you how you can put this to an end. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now to do this, go to your Kahoot app and long press on it and then tap on app info. From here, scroll down until you see this section called permissions, and under it you should see notifications. Go ahead and tap on notifications and you'll see various types of notifications on your app. Under this, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will turn off all the other notifications on your app. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from this app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop alerts on your Kahoot app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.